Formal notice of a lawsuit now involving sexual abuse allegations against Buffalo Common Council President and Bishop Darius Pridgen have been delivered.
This comes after several twists brought the lawsuit against Pridgen into question last week, but now the case is moving forward. And tonight, Channel 2's Ron Plants is providing some legal insight about what could happen next.
Now that Reverend Pridgen and his True Bethel Baptist Church got notice of the sex abuse lawsuit on Monday, a legal analyst tells us they have, through attorneys Paul Cambria and Joseph Manna, 30 days to answer, either with actual counterclaims or a motion before a judge to actually dismiss the lawsuit. We'll see how they proceed, but we do know Pridgen has vehemently and repeatedly denied any involvement or any personal contact or knowledge of the woman accuser in the case. And of course, it went sideways a bit last week with a Buffalo News story that the woman reportedly told a journalist there it never happened, and she never spoke with an attorney. Her reported attorney, Antigone Curis in New York City, then said her client was dodging calls from the media and, quote, made no such representation. We have not heard back from that attorney since then, and so attorneys Cambria and Manna told Curis to, in essence, drop the case and not file again or face possible legal action. They also challenged attorney Curis's verification efforts, which we asked attorney Lisa Coppola about as a legal analyst.
Lawyers have a high ethical obligation, and I certainly would expect that any attorney would do their due diligence in ascertaining what they believe is in good faith the facts before committing the filing of a summons and complaint. We will spend a considerable amount of time with our client, and we will ask our client to go through verbally with us, sometimes in writing with us, what the facts and the timeline, so to speak, was, helping them to put down either in paper or in communications with us as best they can remember step by step what happened.
Now, Lisa Coppola emphasized that this case could take years to wind through the legal system, and sometimes, especially if insurance legal coverage is involved, that motivates, in essence, business decisions on both sides on whether or not to settle it or face more legal and court costs. Not likely at this point with Reverend Pridgen's strong denials. As always, stay tuned. Ron Plants, Channel 2 News.